जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहां महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहां.
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I want to discuss all things hair because I feel like personally me and my hair have kind of been through quite a journey in the past few years of my life. And to give you a little background about my hair, I have really kind of coarse, unmanageable, frizzy, like kind of hair. I will try and insert like maybe old photos for people's amusements right here. That's just the hair that I'm born with. My grandmom has that hair, my dad has that hair, so I guess that's how I got that hair. And growing up, like for any curly girl, they would hate the fact that their hair was curly, and for any girl who had straight hair, she would always love having curls. I guess I also grew up not wanting my hair really curly, and I would always wait for the day or some occasion that I could heat style it. And just over the years I've like found out solutions that work for my hair, and I just want to share it with you guys. So if you want to know all the products and the little itty bitty things that have helped my hair feel all smooth, please keep watching. I just want to also say that so as to keep this as authentic as possible, I've tried to not overstyle my hair with like blow drying and like, you know, curling and straightening it too much, because I felt like, you know, once you heat style it, you can't really tell if a person's hair is healthy or not, because heat styling can just do that to you. It can make any hair look good. So what I've done is that I let my hair air dry, and I just passed this kind of a brush, which is like an electric brush, which is, as you can tell, a little dirty from the use right now. I just passed this along my hair a couple of times just so that it's not like too unruly and frizzy. This is what my hair looks like right now. I don't have any extensions in or like anything. This is my natural hair. So yes, now that I have given those disclaimers, let me just get on to the actual video. So first up, I want to just give a few details about my hair so that you guys understand why I like these products and why they work for me. I have, like I said, really coarse frizzy hair, so I got the Brazilian blowout treatment done about say 3 to 4 months back, almost 4 months back right now. And before that I have gotten the keratin / cysteine treatment done twice in my life before. And to me personally, I love these treatments for my hair. They make my hair really smooth, shiny and frizz free, and they make it really manageable. I can honestly just shampoo, condition and leave my home without having to really heat style or like do too much with my hair. And to me that's very time saving, also because I am very bad at doing hair and I would do anything to like not have to do my hair every day. So because I have that treatment in my hair, I need to use a sulfate free and paraben free shampoo and conditioner. The one that I have with me right now is this DABUR AMLA shampoo replacement hair cleansing milk in the volumizing variant. I have tried the other hair fall variant, if I'm not mistaken, which comes in this green bottle, and now I'm using the volumizing one. And to me, honestly, this has been such a game changer when it comes to my hair. So when I was in India, I was using the Reviver shampoo and conditioner. I will place a picture of how the shampoo and conditioner look like, and if I can find a link for it somewhere on Amazon or something, I will also include that in the description box. So that is basically what the salon that I got my keratin / cysteine done from recommended to me, and I used it till the time I came here to UAE, but obviously I can't find that here, and this is what I use over here. But for everyone in India, do check out the Reviver shampoo conditioner, because this was like a replacement of that. So that's like the first option that you should go for. This comes out in like this white consistency. So this is like a white shampoo, kind of like how your Clinique All Clear is. And it does foam a little bit, but it doesn't foam up a lot in your hair. But one thing I do have to say about shampoos like this, or like the Reviver one or this basically, is that when you go in with the shampoo and rinse it out, you will feel like your hair has become a little dry. At least that's my experience. Like you will feel like your hair has become a little dry, but I feel like when I put the conditioner on top, it just kind of sucks in all the conditioner and like seals the cuticle for me. And then when I wash off the conditioner, it just, I have like I have literally like smooth silky hair. But the conditioner that I use over here is not the Reviver conditioner. It is this Cream Silk Standout Straight Conditioner. This is what it looks like. And
girl, this conditioner freaking changed my life.
I'm not even kidding you guys. My mom came to visit me a few months back and she tried this conditioner and she legit was like, I need 2 bottles of this to take back home because this is unbelievable. This is actually like a drugstore brand here in the UAE, and I don't know what is there in this. I have tried the other variant also. So this is the Standout Straight. I have tried the Hair Fall one also, and so there are 3 variants from what I can see in Carrefour. There's a pink one, a green one, and a blue one. I think I've tried the green and now the pink, and trust me when I say this, it's the best freaking conditioner I have put on my hair. Girl, seriously, oh my god, like I really do not know how I can go back to any other conditioner at this point of time. Honestly, I don't know what my hair was doing up until I found out about this conditioner. And like I said, it's a drugstore conditioner. Both my shampoo and conditioner are not high end, they're very affordable, and they have worked like magic on my hair. But for Indian peeps, try the Reviver shampoo conditioner. Trust me, you will thank me. So after I come out of the shower, there is this one item that I think has really helped in changing my hair game, and that is this kind of bath towel, hair towel, I don't know what to call it. I will try and link something similar to this in the bottom bar if I can. Honestly, I got this when I went for Desi's meet and greet. So there was a Jen Atkins masterclass in the first half, and then the second half had Desi's, kind of seminar and meet and greet and stuff like that. So I attended Jen Atkins masterclass, and that's when they gave me this, and I have used this religiously every time I have washed my hair. And I feel like this is made out of that microfiber material, so it really helps kind of tame your hair, and it just keeps your hair out of your place while kind of you're putting body lotion, and it really soaks in a lot of the excess water and everything. And once I take my hair out of the towel, I feel like it's like prepped for me to go in with the other aftercare products. So yeah, this towel is really, really handy, and I will try and see if I can get a link down below. Definitely get it. So next up, I have a hair product that I use like when my hair is damp and like a little wet. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Keratin Straight Oil Replacement. This is what it looks like. I'm kind of like, I think I'm over with 3/4 of this tube. I still have a little bit left in this. So the reason why I got this is because of the Keratin Straight written here. But if you want like an oil replacement, I know that Pantene makes one, even Garnier makes one. Quite a lot of Indian companies make this oil replacement sort of product, so you can try out a few which are available in India to see which kind of works for you. I've seen a lot of people say that the Pantene one works really well, though personally I haven't tried it, so I cannot really tell you if it will work or not. But if it is the same concept, then I guess it should work. But This, what it does is that once I wash my hair and I have conditioner and all of that, and I have kind of semi-dry hair, this really helps in kind of setting the porosity in my hair. So yeah, how an oil replacement works is that you can actually wear it even before you shampoo your hair, but to me personally, I like using it right after I've shampooed my hair to kind of tame down the fag ends of my hair, because I do have like some chemical treatment and like a little bleach and all of that in the ends of my hair. And especially if you have like kind of pre-lightened your hair or have like gone really light and have a little bit of damaged hair, I feel like this will really work wonders for you, because your ends really need all the moisture and love and oil and like the it can get. So this just at the ends, not too much at the roots because then it can get really heavy, just at the ends to tame down the ends and like kind of not make them fray. Next up is a favorite of mine, and I'm sure a million of you guys. This is the Be Blunt Climate Control Anti-Frizz Leave-In Cream. I know at this point you'll be like, damn girl, you put in like too much of shit in your hair, but trust me, you don't use too much of these things, but a little bit of these things goes a long way. So yeah, this is the next thing that I put in my hair. Again, in the ends, working all the way till the top, not putting too much product on the top, but like concentrating it on your ends. I like doing this because this again helps with my frizziness, and as it says, like climate control. And here the climate is really humid and really like hot, so I need as many anti-frizz treatments out there as possible. So if you see a pattern and trend here, like everything which says anti-frizz is in this video. So yeah, this has worked very well for me. This is obviously Be Blunt, so it's available everywhere in India. And the texture of this is also very light, so it doesn't weigh down your hair. I feel with hair products a little goes a long way, so definitely it might feel like a lot, but just taking a little pea size amount and kind of putting it rummaging it through your hair really helps me with the frizziness and calming down any tangles or anything of that sort. Next up is heat protectant, and I have to make a confession here. I have actually gone by a lot of my life without knowing what a heat protectant was and what it does for my hair, and actually have come very close to burning my hair. But I'm so thankful that I have this in my life right now before I heat style my hair. This is the L'Oreal Paris Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. This is 3-day sleek, 450 protection. As you can see, this even has like the Indian label here on it. This is definitely available in India. I got this from Beautiful. I can see the price here at $6.95. So this is what I use when I know that I'm going to be using like hot tools in my hair, like a straightener or like a curler, and like really get in there with all the heat. I feel like going with a heat protectant is a must, and especially with girls who like coloring their hair and like kind of experimenting with different things with their hair. This goes a long way to protect your hair from heat, which does a lot more damage than we would like to think it does. But yeah, a good heat protectant is a must, and this is my current favorite. Last but definitely not the least is a hair serum. The one that I have with me is Vital Care Keratin Oil. This is what it looks like. But for you guys in India, I can tell you that there is this argan oil hair serum which I think works really well. I will try and insert a picture here for you guys and also list it down below. That used to work really well for my hair when I was in India, but here in the UAE, for me, this has worked quite a lot. I actually have been using it very much, but like as you can tell, like I've used very little bit of this because you don't need a lot of this, and it's really like you need very little bit of this, and it really like kind of manages and detangles your hair in a jiffy. So I feel like that way it's a very good, like it gives you a lot of worth for your money, and that's why I really love this. And I feel hair serums are such an important investment in your life, because they calm down frizz, they kind of calm down all those flyaways. I know I have like too many of them. Even like during the week, if I feel like my hair is like getting frizzy or anything like that, I'll just take like I said, pea-sized amount of this, really rub it in my palms and just put it on the ends and like here, just to kind of smoothen out my hair, and it works like a charm. So yeah, this has helped my frizzy situation a lot. So yes, those are all the products that have seriously saved the day for mama's hair, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. And I'm trying as much as possible to give you guys alternatives for the things that I'm talking about, for products that are there available in India, because I know a lot of you guys are from India and I would hate to disappoint you people. So but the situation is such that I am living here now, and there are a lot of things that are available here which are not available there, and a lot of things that are available there which are not available here. But like I had mentioned in my skincare video also, what I try to do is look at the active ingredients in it and suggest, you know, those items or those products for you guys. So yes, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell, because you know, every time moi makes a video, you guys need to go and watch it, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and give me gratification, because that's why I put my life out on the internet. So yes, like I always say, keep it bossy. On your hair like this, and vital care, right? Yay, cute, I know, right? Okay, pin it up here.